Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a pasta dish inspired by the Italian classic Aubergine parmigiana. I'm going to add vegan bacon pieces to a tomato-based sauce that is packed with veggies and Italian herbs. First, prepare the ingredients for the tomato sauce. Chop the onion, garlic, and celery, and finally grate the carrot. Next, cut the aubergine in half. Then, slice each half lengthwise into thick slices. Pour enough oil into a large frying pan to cover the base. When hot, carefully place the aubergine slices on the pan and fry over a high heat until they turn golden brown on the edges. Carefully turn over and fry a few more minutes until golden on both sides. When they're done, transfer to a plate with 2 or 3 layers of kitchen paper and set aside to drain. Next, prepare the tomato sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large non-stick pan. Add the onion, garlic, celery and carrot and stir everything well. Cook for about 5 minutes over a low heat and stir occasionally. Then add salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of Italian dried herbs, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Stir continually for about half a minute. Then add the chopped tomatoes, 1 deciliter of water and 1 teaspoon of sugar and stir well. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and add a bit more water if necessary. Let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, bring a large pan of water to the boil. Add salt and a drizzle of olive oil and cook the pasta following the packing instructions. In the meantime, check the tomato sauce. When it's done, taste and if necessary, add more seasoning, herbs, or sugar if it's too acidic. Stir once more and set aside. Next, preheat the oven. Then, cook the vegan bacon pieces according to packing instructions. When the pasta is cooked, drain but save 1 cup of the water. Return the pasta to the pan and stir in the tomato sauce. Add some of the pasta water and the vegan bacon pieces and carefully stir everything well. If necessary, add some more water until you have a smooth and silky mixture. Finally, transfer the pasta to a large baking dish and spread out evenly. Place the aubergine slices on top and season with salt and freshly ground pepper. Scatter the grated cheese and sprinkle with some dried oregano. Bake for about 20 minutes until the cheese topping is golden. Your pasta bake is now ready to serve. Sprinkle each serving with some basil leaves and enjoy your meal. You can find the full recipe below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.